Hammer. I hammer the nail. Bite. I bite the apple. Pour. I pour milk into the glass. Boil. I boil water for tea. Fry. I fry eggs for breakfast. Serve. I serve food to my family. Glue. I glue the paper together. Cut. I cut the paper. Fold. I fold the napkin. Wrap. I wrap a gift for my friend. Carve. I carve a pumpkin. Knit. I knit a scarf. Repair. I repair my toy car. Polish. I polish my shoes. Flick. I flick the ball. Sharpen. I sharpen my pencil. Carve. I carve wood with a knife. Drill. I drill a hole in the wall. Stack. I stack the books neatly. Shape. I shape clay into a pot. Toss. I toss the coin. Dive. I dive into the pool. Chop. I chop vegetables. Sigh. I sigh when I feel tired. Shave. I shave my beard. Comb. I comb my hair. Dress. I dress myself. Slurp. I slurp my noodles. Peel. I peel a banana. Underline. I underline the word.